Determine the area of a regular 6-star polygon if the inner regular hexagon has 10 centimeter sides. Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. Okay, so let's solve this. Let us draw the figure. So we have regular 6-star polygon and the inner regular hexagon has 10 centimeter sides. Okay, so this will be the figure. So we have regular 6-star polygon, and then we have given the inner regular hexagon. So this is the inner regular hexagon with 10 centimeters. The length of each side of the regular hexagon is 10 centimeters. So determine the area. So determine the area of the 6-star polygon. Okay? So to solve this, we can divide this into congruent triangles. So this is the center of the hexagon. And then by inspection, since the hexagon is irregular, that means we can divide the hexagon into 6 congruent triangles. By inspection, we can clearly see that this triangle is also congruent to this triangle. So that means all the triangles are congruent. So to find the area of this 6-star polygon, all we have to do, so let A be the area of the regular hexagon, all we have to do is find the area of just one triangle and then multiply it by, we have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 times area of triangle. So just find the area of one triangle and then multiply by 12. Okay, so let's solve the area of this one triangle. And then we have given the side of the regular hexagon inside the 6-star polygon is 10 centimeters. So this is 10 centimeters. So the formula for area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base times height. So we have base is 10 centimeters. So we have 1/2, the value of the base is 10 centimeters, but we don't have the value of the height. So we will solve the value of the height first and then so that we can solve the area of this one triangle. Okay, so by inspection, okay, or we can we need to find the theta here to find the height of this triangle. Okay? So one revolution, so we know that one revolution is equal to 360 degrees. Since the triangles are congruent, so therefore we just divide to find this angle theta, just divide 360 degrees divided by 6. So 360 divided by 6, that is equal to 60 degrees. So we just need to, so we divide by 2. So if this whole is 60 degrees, so therefore this half is equal to 30 degrees. So to find the height of this, we divide this 10 centimeters by 2. So this will be 5 and then we have another 5. So that we can use the right triangle and then by definition, so if this is theta and then this is the height and then we have given this is 5 and then we have theta is equal to 30 degrees. We can use the definition of tangent. So we have tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Okay? So if this is the theta, the opposite is 5. This is the opposite. And then the adjacent is the height. Okay, so just substitute. So we have tangent theta, we have 30 degrees is equal to the opposite side, we have 5 over the adjacent, so we have h. So to solve for h, just interchange this. Therefore, the value of h is 5 over tangent 30 degrees. So therefore, the area of the triangle is 1/2 of 10 times the height is 5 over tangent 30. Okay? So let's simplify this. So 10 divided by 2, that will be 5. 5 times 5, we have 25 over tangent 30 degrees. So this is the area of just one triangle. Okay? So area of one triangle. So therefore, to find the area of this regular 6-star polygon, so just multiply by 12. 12 times the area of one triangle, so we have 12 times 25 over tangent 30 degrees. So just multiply this using calculator, and then we will get 519.60 centimeter squared, and the answer is letter C. Okay, so I will just show you the computation on my scientific calculator. So we have 12 multiplied to 25 and then divided by tangent 30. So 30 first and then tangent and then press equal sign. So we get 519.61, or if only one decimal, so that is 519.6 or 0.60. Okay, so therefore the correct answer is letter C. Okay, so that's it. So thank you for watching and see you on another tutorial for engineering mathematics. So good luck sa lahat ng nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time.